to Fork and Photo. My name is Jade, and around here, honey lemon pepper wings do not need an introduction. Let's go. Start out with a pound of party wings or wing sections or whole wings, whatever you're using. Make sure they are cleaned. These have been cleaned, brined, and now it is time to pat them dry. Make sure that you do not have any type of water or moisture on those wings. Otherwise, you will not have a crispy skin, and it will not be my fault. You can call me Team Too Much, but I go through and individually dry each chicken wing and lay it out on a cutting board in order for me to get ready to season it. You don't have to do this. It is completely optional, but this is how I do it. Now it is time to season. In a small bowl, I like to combine all of my seasonings. First up is garlic powder, followed up by onion powder, then cayenne pepper, my absolute favorite, some white pepper, ground white pepper, followed up by some cumin, a little bit of Creole seasoning, some seasoned salt, Italian herbs, and then of course, you gotta add some lemon pepper, and that's the most. I added more lemon pepper than anything else. After you have combined all of your seasonings, give it a real good stir and taste it to see if you need anything such as salt or more garlic powder or more onion powder. After you have tasted your seasoning and it is good to you, add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and then stir to combine. This is to make your wings extra crispy in the oven. Now that all of your seasonings are mixed, it is now time to season your chicken. Spread a good amount on both sides of the chicken, doing one side first, flipping all the wings over, and then seasoning the other side. I also get up any extra seasoning that is on the cutting board because, the chicken needs that. After you have seasoned your chicken, get a baking sheet, line it with aluminum foil and a wire rack, and spray with the nonstick cooking spray. And line your chicken wings evenly on the metal rack, making sure that they all fit and also have enough room to bake. Do not overcrowd. If you need to do 2 batches, do 2 batches, boo. You're going to bake your chicken wings in a 425-degree Fahrenheit oven for 20 to 25 minutes on the first side. Remove your chicken wings from the oven and then flip them all over and place them back into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until the skin is crispy and golden brown. But while your chicken is going for the second round of 20 to 25 minutes, it's time to make your sauce. In a preheated saucepan, add 2 tablespoons of butter, followed by 3 to 4 cloves of minced garlic, and stir that together to combine, making sure that your garlic does not burn. Once the garlic has become fragrant, season it with white pepper, onion powder, seasoned salt, and black pepper. Stir to combine, then add a 1/4 cup of honey. Once you have added your honey, allow the mixture to come up to a simmer and stir to combine to allow the ingredients to marry. While your honey sauce is being brought to heat, add the juice of 1 whole lemon. If using a fresh lemon, make sure to use a strainer so that you can capture all of the seeds. After you have added your lemon juice, add about 1/2 tablespoon of lemon pepper seasoning and 3 to 4 dashes of your favorite hot sauce and stir to combine. Make sure you taste this so you can decide whether or not you want more seasoning or more hot sauce or even more honey. Once your sauce is simmering and you see the small bubbles, remove it from the heat and add your red pepper flakes or any type of cayenne pepper. Use as much as you can tolerate. You know what I tell you. Then finish your sauce off with another tablespoon of butter, followed up by the zest of 1/2 of a lemon. Stir to combine and allow your sauce to thicken while off the heat. Your sauce is good to go when you can dip a metal spoon, swipe with a finger, and leave a clean line. When your chicken wings are done in the oven, remove them from the wire rack and place the chicken wings into a large bowl. Once all of your chicken wings are in a bowl, grab that delicious hot honey lemon pepper sauce and pour it all over those chicken wings, y'all. And then you just toss to combine. And guess what, baby? You are done. Look at those chicken wings. Ooh, yes, ma'am, Pam. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram at Fork and Photo. Follow me on Facebook at Fork and Photo. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, all that good stuff. And make sure you do one thing, baby. And that's eat good, y'all. Until next time.